Here is the premium sound system with LED lighting. We have this full amazing countertop with electric stove, sink, refrigerator, just really a party in a boat right here in this amazing cockpit. So you have lots of lounging space. We have this huge side door. So this is what they call a dive door. Also helps when you're at dock because you can open this and people can step directly through on and off the dock. We can take a look at our cabin. So in addition to all this versatility, we have an exceptional cabin space layout here. We're going to show you that now. So, and I apologize, we've got a few things down here right now, but this kind of versatility and space, from a microwave to lighting to comfortable berths. This folds down, goes into a V berth. There's a little berth for the kids under there. A full head in a boat this size, unheard of, with shower. As you can see, the sports activity vessel packs a tremendous amount of versatility into a compact, efficient, high quality package.